Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick in Google Sheets, how to quickly delete multiple tabs at once. If you've ever found yourself working with a spreadsheet that has way too many tabs, maybe copies you don't need anymore or old sheets from a big project, this tutorial is going to save you a ton of time. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up your Google Sheets in just a few clicks. Alright, let's jump right in. Picture this, you open up your Google Sheet and see a row of tabs at the bottom, maybe Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Summary, Old Data, and you realize, I really only need a couple of these. Instead of deleting them one at a time, I'm going to show you how to select and remove several tabs all at once. First, look at the bottom of your Google Sheets window. That's where all your tabs or sheets live. Now, to select more than one tab, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, that would be the Command key. This is just like selecting multiple files on your computer. You hold down Control and then click on each sheet tab you want to get rid of. So go ahead and click on, for example, Sheet 1. Then while still holding Control, click on Old Data, Sheet 3, or any other tabs you don't need. Take your time with this, there's no rush. If you accidentally click a tab you want to keep, just click it again while holding Control to deselect it. It's a simple way to avoid deleting something important by mistake. Once you've selected all the tabs you want gone, the next step is to right-click on any one of those selected tabs. A menu will pop up. Think of it as your command center for managing sheets. Look through the options and find Delete. When you click Delete, Google Sheets will ask you for confirmation. It wants to make sure you really want to get rid of these, just in case you clicked on something by mistake. Take a second to review your selection here. If everything looks right, go ahead and confirm. And that's honestly all there is to it. All those selected tabs will disappear at once, cleaning up your Google Sheet instantly. Your spreadsheet will look way less cluttered, and it'll be much easier to find what you actually need moving forward. Just a quick note, there's no undo button for deleted sheets, so make sure you really don't need the data in those tabs before you confirm. If you're a little unsure, maybe consider making a backup copy of your Google Sheet first. I always recommend playing it safe, especially if you're dealing with important information. So to recap, the next time you need to do a little spreadsheet spring cleaning, just remember, hold down Control and click each tab you want to delete, right-click and choose Delete. It's that easy, and it can save you tons of time if you're dealing with bulky or outdated Google Sheets. If you found this tip helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or if you have another Google Sheets trick you'd like to learn, just drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.